All right, let's get one right here. Oh yeah, I got one. What I caught the 3-pounder on right here, but I'm gonna go to something brighter. The water's really clear today. So this caustic mystery tackle box item here. Get this guy on here. Off, but you're not good. Check your checker frame. Retie it if you need it. See if we can get something on that. Nice. First cast. First cast. First cast with caustic. I don't know how much of that I got. There he is. Nice little 7-inch, maybe 8-inch smallmouth. Got him this is what he ate. First cast. A caustic out of the mystery tackle box. Shadow's terrible. Then release the guy. It's okay, bud. There he goes. Got a good sized one. Get him over here on the bank. Just pull and drag. Oh, he's a good size. Don't throw it. Don't throw it, buddy. Don't you flick at me. Ah, I got him. That's a nice size smallmouth there. Look at that, he threw the hook too. He just got him. That secondary hook got him right by the gill. But he threw the one out of his mouth once I got him up here. Got him. There it is. Ozark Trail Minnow. Snagging them big smallmouth on the Great Miami. At Walmart Ozark Trail is fire. That is the sauce out here. That's a nice one. Yeah. All right, let's get one right here. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah, I got one. Nicely done. He's getting hooked on that log. Oh, he's getting hooked on that log. I don't know if he's hooked on that log. He is hooked on that log. I have to go out here in order to get him. Ah, it's so deep out here. Oh my God, can I get him out of this log? Oh, I can make it. I can make it. Come on. We're gonna go this way, buddy. Going this way. Back over towards you. There we go. I got him out of the log. Yes! I got him. Oh my God, I got him out of the log. Stay down, bud. Stay down, bud. We're going back to the shallow shore. Let me see here. Oh, it's a real nice smallmouth. Oh, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Stay down. We're just gonna go back here to the shore. Cool, man. This is awesome. This GoPro better be recording. Yes, it is. Excellent. Excellent. I knew there was gonna be a fat daddy over here. Oh, I don't think he's a Fish Ohio, but it very well could be. He's big. It's the safest way for me to do it. Get him up on the land. Get him up on the land. Don't let him throw it. All right, you're all right now, buddy. Let's get you undone. Yes. Get that nice large or smallmouth. These are some beautiful Great Miami smallmouths. Shadows are ridiculous right now, I bet. Can't see anything. Get this guy unhooked and then we'll be able to see him nice. Look at that. Look at that. God, these are some beautiful fish. Nice and thick and heavy too. Maybe I'll pop this guy on the scale just for fun. I bet he's pushing 2 pounds. He is hefty. It's a hefty man. Give him some water real quick and we'll walk back to the scale. Because I done walked all in that fishing spot over there. Any big daddies over there spooked out. They'll come back in about 20 minutes or so. This is great. It feels so good to finally get some catches on cam. Yes, this is great. It's Abu Garcia Red Max and Ozark Trail Minnow. I'm telling you, you do not have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to catch some beautiful fish like this. All right, let's get him in the water again real quick. Get this hook up through him from the scale.
Can I catch him again? Go ahead and catch him right here.
Another one. Ozark Trail Minnow. This little 6-inch, nah, 8-inch smallmouth. Nah, yeah, 7-inch maybe. Nope.